O-Galley Electric, precision and performance go hand in hand, especially when supporting critical military infrastructure. This project at Hurlburt Field focused on enhancing safety and visibility on the Combat Aircraft Parking Apron through the installation and integration of advanced airfield lighting systems. Our scope included new taxiway edge lighting, airfield lighting circuits, and underground electrical duct banks, engineered for reliability in mission-critical environments. The system features energy-efficient L852E blue LED taxiway edge lights and L858 internally lighted airfield guidance signs, all connected by 5 kV L824C cabling housed in durable PVC conduit. To ensure uninterrupted operations during construction, our team executed every phase with meticulous coordination and attention to detail. We also installed FAA-compliant, aircraft-rated handholes, performed megger testing, and implemented robust grounding and surge protection systems, all in full compliance with FAA and Department of Defense standards. This project reflects our commitment to excellence, safety, and service, core values that define O-Galley Electric.